Today, I'm going to be showing you how to delete YouTube videos. This is a pretty straightforward process, but there are a few things you need to know. Let's see how you can delete videos from YouTube Studio on a desktop. The first thing you need to do is sign in to YouTube Studio. This is where you'll be able to manage all of your YouTube content, including your videos. To sign in to YouTube Studio, go to studio.youtube.com and enter your YouTube username and password. Click on the Content link from the left menu. Once you're signed into YouTube Studio, you'll need to find the video you want to delete. You can do this by either searching for the video title or by browsing through your video list. You can delete a video in multiple ways. Once you've found the video, click on the three dots icon next to it. From the menu that pops up, select Delete Forever. Another way is check the boxes next to the videos. Once you've selected the video you want to delete, click the More Actions button. Now click on Delete Forever. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Check the box next to I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. Then, click Delete Forever. That's it. The video will be deleted from your YouTube channel. But what if you need to remove multiple videos from your channel? You can delete multiple videos quite easily. On the same page as before, you need to select the videos you want to delete. You can do this by checking the boxes next to the videos. Once you've selected the videos you want to delete, click the More Actions button. Now click on Delete Forever. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Check the box next to I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. Then, click Delete Forever. This is how you delete videos on the desktop. But what about mobile? Can you delete a video from YouTube on your mobile phone? You can also delete YouTube videos from the YouTube Studio mobile app. To do this, open the app and go to your channel. Tap on Content. Then, tap on the Videos tab or Shorts and select the video you want to delete. Tap on the three dots icon next to the video and select Delete Forever. Also, an important thing is if you want to download the video before deleting it, you can do so by clicking on the Download Video button before you click Delete Forever. That's how you delete YouTube videos. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it's important to remember that deleting a video is permanent. So, make sure you want to delete the video before you do it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.